Okay, I just wanted to get right into my own live online group. This is my Together Legacies Created. This is the root domain, is the GOMEZ-HAZE.com, and then all the rest of the URL there. But I wanted to show you about creating a paid event. Okay, so obviously nothing here on the calendar, but I thought we'd go ahead and do something for July 4th. Let's go ahead and create something for the 4th of July. How about sample 4th of July event? And I can actually go ahead and create all of this like for real because I don't have anybody in my group currently. Let's do that. We'll make it 11:30 p.m. So I'm actually going to launch a live event. Location, let's go to the Neptune's Park. Let's see. Right there. Yep. And what you do, if it's an actual location, obviously in-person type event, go ahead and I use that like that. Come back to there. Because it could be, you could have a Zoom, right, a virtual meeting or a Google Meet virtual meeting, things like that to make the event, share the event like that, whatever the event's going to be. So obviously, we're doing something live and in person, July 4th, fun. That's all. Put a big description here. It doesn't give you a lot of characters there, just 300. But yeah, then we go here. We click to upload something. I don't know. Let's go ahead and just click to upload. Choose that one. Of course, you would have something branded and ready to roll for this event, but you can go ahead and add any picture there. Do we want to hide the location from non-attendees? Got that option. I don't know why I would do that, but yeah, I guess keep it private, right? It won't be a recurring event. You see how these little options, I just wanted to kind of show you everything. You do want to make sure that things are set up for the right time zone. Okay, and then again, if you're a member, you're going to be linked directly to your email address anyway. So all of this is going to go ahead and it's going to post out to all the members that a event has launched, right? So who can attend the event, and we've got the different levels inside of the platform itself. But we just leave everybody available to, and then hide attendees from group members. No, it's not necessary either. But I guess there could be use cases for that. But here's the fun part. We'll go ahead and we're going to click paid. Paid event. Instead, let's make it 11 bucks. I know. Trying to put it in. Of course, US dollars. Test mode is not necessary. I'm just going to show you how this becomes that. And right there, boom, we've got our 4th of July fun event. And of course, it's going to show me right away as registered. And you can see all the other people. When there are other people in there that do register, it's going to show the guest list. It's going to show you everybody that's been registered. Now, and then you do want to go ahead and start up a discussion about the event, right? So you'll add something, collab and connect, it adds something to here, talking about the event launch, etc., etc. And you can add videos to this stuff, and just create out a lot of hype and promotion for that event that's coming up. Because once people come back into the portal and they check what's going on in the group, I could go ahead and pin this to the top, but I'm also going to see it show up right there here. I could pin this to the top of the home page as well. Again, to keep it very visible, very ready for anybody popping in from that email because it's just shown them that a new event has launched. they'd have to pay into it and get all that done. So that's just creating a paid event inside of your client group